Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install the Pixel Printer plugin and grant it file permissions. Once done, open the image at 300 dpi and set RGB so colors map predictably. This avoids unexpected shifts. Make sure the plugin is enabled in your editor and pick the target output folder or device. You'll reuse this path for multiple exports. Now run the plugin's initial preview command to verify alignment and see how pixels will be mapped on the final output. You now refine export settings. Pick nearest neighbor scaling for sharp pixel edges or bilinear if you want smoother transitions. Next, set the exact output pixel dimensions and decide on dithering or a fixed palette to control color count. Once configured, use the plugin preview to inspect margins and alignment, adjust bleed and safe areas if the printed pixels risk being trimmed. Finally, lock the configuration profile so repeated exports use identical settings. This keeps prints consistent. You complete the job by exporting the final file, selecting the format your printer accepts, and verifying file size and checksum when necessary. Then print a small test patch at full scale to confirm colors and alignment. This saves time and supplies before committing to the full print. If results are off, check for DPI mismatch between document and printer, update printer drivers, and examine the plugin's rounding settings. Often a 1-pixel rounding rule causes misalignment and is easily toggled in preferences.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.